Are recording? Yeah, recording. Yo, welcome to another episode on Kruise Refinish channel. Today we have a quick job. Do it yourself. How to restore your headlights. Let's see the patient.
This is a BMW X5 second generation E60. Headlights on these cars very quickly become yellowish. Here we have a very deep scratch and we will attempt to remove it. Then to change it, first we will try to reestablish. And both headlights are fully in cracks caused by the previous polishing.
So, before start sanding, we need to mask all around the headlight to not scratch the fender. You can use one layer of masking tape, but two will be better. I will use one layer of masking tape because I have a big experience. So I will start with 220 sanding grit with our orbital sander, but you can do it easy with hand sanding, okay? I will use it because I have it. Before moving to the next stage, we need to applying the guide coat. P500. Next, we need a P800 and P1.500. Just wet sand it very good, please. P1.5.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
And now one headlight is done. Now we're moving to a second one and do exactly the same as this headlight. Let's go. We masked the car, we degreased the headlights, and now we're ready to paint. Stay tuned. So guys, here I have a plastic primer or adhesion promoter, depending where you're living and how you name it. But adhesion promoter and plastic primer, it's the same product. Here I have my usual clear coat, what I use for my car. But don't forget, you can use spray can primer or clear coat. Let's paint. So guys, let's make conclusions. Yes, of course, we need to care about the headlights, but we have to do it properly. Never wet sand and polish. Yes, we have a method for polishing the headlights, but it's excluded to sand down for bar plastic. If we sand down all the clear coat from a headlight, it will remain unprotected from the sun and the ultraviolet lights, which will lead to crack as on our car. So guys, learn from other people's mistakes, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Peace!